One of the biggest missed opportunities in local auto repair is failing to follow up with past customers. Many people who already trust your shop simply need a reminder to come back. AI makes this easy by automating follow-up messages based on timing, service history, or customer needs. For example, a customer who came in for brakes, oil changes, tires, or diagnostics can receive a helpful reminder months later when it's time to schedule again. This keeps your shop top of mind and creates more repeat business without requiring your team to manually track every customer. AI follow-up can also promote seasonal services, maintenance checks, or special offers. These campaigns help increase customer lifetime value and keep bays filled with qualified work. The goal is not to send spam. The goal is to stay relevant and helpful. America's Best Shops helps auto repair businesses build smart follow-up systems that generate more return visits, improve retention, and turn yesterday's customers into ongoing revenue.